Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into some truly interesting facts about dogs. Trust me, some of these will surprise you. Subscribe for daily updates. Let's get into the video. Why do dogs wag their tails? Dogs wag their tails primarily as a form of communication. The position and speed of the wag can convey different emotions and intentions. 1. Happiness and excitement. A fast wide wag often indicates a happy and excited dog. 2. Alertness. A high stiff wag can signify that a dog is on alert or feeling confident. 3. Submission. A low slow wag may indicate submission or uncertainty. 4. Aggression. A tail wagging to the right, from the dog's perspective, is often a positive signal, whereas a tail wagging to the left can indicate negative emotions. Dogs have evolved to use their tails as a social signal to communicate with both humans and other dogs. How do dogs communicate with each other? Dogs have a complex system of communication. 1. Body language. Dogs use their posture, facial expressions, and tail movements to communicate. For example, a dog that lowers its body and avoids eye contact is showing submission. 2. Vocalizations. Barking, growling, whining, and howling are all ways dogs vocalize their feelings. Each sound can convey different messages, depending on the context and the pitch. 3. Scent marking. Dogs have a highly developed sense of smell, and use scent to communicate. They leave their scent on objects by urinating, defecating, or rubbing their bodies against surfaces. 4. Eye contact. Prolonged eye contact can be a challenge or a threat, while averted gaze can be a sign of submission or politeness. Can dogs see colors? Dogs do see colors, but not in the same way humans do. They have dichromatic vision, meaning they can see two primary colors. 1. Blue and yellow. Dogs can distinguish between shades of blue and yellow. 2. Limited red and green perception. They have difficulty differentiating between red and green, seeing them as shades of gray or brown. This means that, while dogs do not see the full spectrum of colors that humans do, their world is not entirely black and white. Why do dogs sniff so much? A dog's sense of smell is incredibly powerful and sophisticated. 1. Gathering information. Dogs can identify individuals, including humans and other animals, by their unique scents. 2. Exploration. Sniffing helps dogs understand their environment and detect changes. 3. Communication. Dogs can detect pheromones, which provide information about another dog's health, mood, and reproductive status. 4. Tracking. Dogs' noses are so sensitive that they can track scents over long distances, and even detect substances at minute concentrations. The part of a dog's brain devoted to analyzing smells is about 40 times larger than that of a human. How do dogs learn and remember things? Dogs learn through a combination of 1. Conditioning. This involves learning through association. There are two types: classical conditioning, like Pavlov's dog, and operant conditioning, learning through rewards and punishments. 2. Social learning. Dogs can learn behaviors by observing and imitating other dogs or humans. 3. Memory. Dogs have both short-term and long-term memory. They remember people, other animals, and experiences, often associating them with positive or negative outcomes. 4. repetition, and consistency. Repeated exposure and consistent training help dogs learn and retain information. Dogs are capable of understanding a wide range of commands and signals, making them highly trainable and adaptive to human environments. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe.